Hi everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about scalp massage, which again is one of those things that people either tend to really like or just aren't so keen. But there are numerous benefits, and it really just is a great way to relax and really help with sleeping as well. And a good way to finish off a treatment, especially if a client has had maybe a deep tissue or sports and really had a lot of tension that has been a bit uncomfortable to get rid of. A scalp massage is just a really nice relaxing way to end the treatment. So we're going to be talking about the benefits of it today, and also sort of little things you can do to kind of add in with a scalp massage to help with certain issues. Yeah. Basically, obviously, if we get tension in the head, this can cause various problems such as headaches, sometimes problems with the jaw, and also puffiness around the eyes as well. But scalp massage can work on there's numerous nerve endings around the head, and scalp massage works on these nerve endings that the brain uses to send messages to the rest of the body. Now, if done regularly, this can actually help to link sensations with memory, which will then promote faster relaxation with subsequent treatments. Again, a bit like with the feet, scalp massage will work on pressure points and energy meridians, which, as we know, if they're blocked, it can cause illnesses and fatigue and all sorts of things. So, another thing that the scalp works on, in addition to these nerve endings and the energy meridians, is the aponeurosis tendon, which is a long tendon that runs right across the top of the scalp there. And obviously if that's tight as well, we can be prone to headaches and things. So but usually, certainly when I do a scalp massage, it is combined with a little bit of work around the face, usually around the eye socket and down sort of past the nose and under the cheekbones. And what this does is it treats some of the lymph nodes in the face, which can be really beneficial if you have puffy eyes, and just reduce that kind of tired appearance. And also congested sinuses can really be improved by working on these lymph nodes around the nasal area and the eye sockets. So that's a few of the benefits. A lot of the other benefits are very similar to, if you were having a full body massage. So certainly the relaxation aspect of it, relaxing the mind in particular, easing any built up tension, around the head and the neck, certainly with our jobs. And if you've got a desk job, you can get a lot of tension around, the neck and shoulders, which can then cause a lot of headaches, especially if this muscle here, running from sort of just behind the shoulder there up into the neck, if that gets tight, that can cause a lot of problems with headaches and migraines. So scalp massage just helps to relax the muscles into the neck, and just make you feel a bit more relaxed. Again, stress reduction improving the mood, and that again, we talk about it all the time, is due to the ability of massage to reduce those stress hormones and also increase the endorphin release. So that's your happy, feel-good hormones like your serotonin. And these endorphins also in turn will, as I say, help improve sleeping patterns, which then allow you to wake up feeling a bit more refreshed and revitalized, feeling like you've got more energy. And I'm sure we all know when we've not had a good night's sleep, quite often, particularly if you're someone who suffers with migraines, you don't get enough sleep and then you're going to wake up with a migraine. So scalp massage can, with this relaxation effect and helping to promote sleep, can really, also therefore help, with headaches. Again, a bit like with the foot massage, it's quite a good way, if you've got someone, maybe who is ill, potentially something like cancer, or if it's terminal stages, or they've had like radiotherapy treatment, so you can't work directly on the tumour site. Massaging the head is a good way to just still get that relaxation effect. And for people in particular who don't want a foot massage because they've got really ticklish feet, for example, a scalp massage is a good alternative, to just offer that stress relief. But also it can be used kind of as an introductory treatment. So if you've got someone who has maybe never had a massage before, who potentially is a little bit unsure about whether they want a whole full body treatment, a scalp massage can be a good way just to introduce massage, and get them used to some of the techniques, before they have, a longer treatment. As we said, it can reduce headaches by working, around the temples or whichever area is sort of, you get experiencing those headaches. Maybe the base of the skull, which again, you're going to be working into those neck muscles. But as we've said, if you slept awkwardly, that muscle along there is really going to get quite tight and can cause headaches as well. And again, incorporating the face, we do quite a bit of work across the forehead and the hairline and around the eye sockets there. So can really help to ease pain around the temples as well. By promoting circulation and working on those lymph nodes in the face, improving lymphatic drainage, and this in turn is going to help to nourish and strengthen the hair follicles, which can help, improve hair growth. So I'm not going to pretend that it's a cure for alopecia, but it could certainly help promote healthier hair. So if you're just sort of starting to lose a bit, maybe hormonal issues following pregnancy, something like that, and you're just starting to lose some hair, head massage may just help stimulate those follicles, improve the circulation to the head, and kind of counteract the effect of the hormonal imbalances. So and of course massage also is great for helping to remove dead skin cells. So maybe if someone has something like dandruff or psoriasis on their scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, if there's a flaky scalp, this also can increase hair loss. So by working on the scalp, by improving the skin condition, if these sort of issues are present, it can again help just to reduce the hair loss there, and also improve skin suppleness of the scalp as well. So as with all massage, really, there's always those issues that maybe aren't suitable to be, for the client to be treated. With scalp massage, really contraindications, things like fever, if you've got a migraine, where you're feeling sick with it, fractures, any sort of swelling and edema, or broken skin on the scalp. So really, I think with most of those, you probably wouldn't want a scalp massage anyway. So it's kind of common sense stuff, really. And broken skin, maybe if you have got one of those things like the psoriasis that we mentioned, you just work around the area, where that skin is broken. So, it's just, common sense. So the effectiveness of a scalp massage will really depend on things like whether creams and oils are used. Certainly myself, when I do a scalp massage, I do it dry because, a lot of people don't want to come for a treatment and then, go back out with greasy, oily hair. So unless a client had a particular issue where maybe there's a specific oil that would help with that condition, then I do the scalp massage dry. But the effectiveness of the scalp massage will also be affected by the client's nutrition and their metabolic status, which of course can be affected by certain health issues, again, maybe thyroid problems, diabetes, things like that. So just spoken briefly about sort of products. As I say, I don't use any, but certainly products can be used prior to massage by the client, or the client can bring a specific product with them and the massage can be done using that. So this could be something like a specific lotion, for psoriasis, for example, or maybe, prior to the treatment, you might want to do like an exfoliating hair mask with salicylic acid for something like seborrheic dermatitis or dandruff, just to kind of get rid of all those flakes, really, and then really just make the massage more effective. So yeah, that's certainly going to help. In someone who maybe has an oily scalp, certainly zinc is a really good supplement, or I think you can get like shampoos and things that that have zinc in them, and that can be used to basically regulate the production of the sebum, which is the natural oil. But if we're talking about products used during the treatment, if you want, if the client wants a little bit of oil used, probably something like coconut or olive oil or jojoba oil, they're particularly good for the scalp, and they can even have aromatherapy oils added into them to stimulate the hair follicles. So if that person is suffering with hair loss, something like rosemary or eucalyptus can be added into those base oils, just to try and stimulate the hair follicles and encourage regrowth. But as always, you need to ensure that you're seeing a therapist who is experienced in using aromatherapy oils, because of course they have to be diluted correctly. So those are the benefits of a scalp massage. I'd say if you've not had one, certainly give it a go. It is a slightly different sensation to the rest of the body, really, just because obviously your head it's a bit bonier. But well worth having, and the relaxation that you get from it You know, most people really enjoy it, and as I say, it's a really good way to finish up a treatment and go home feeling relaxed. So yeah, give it a go. And like I say, if you have any medical issues that affect your scalp, do let your therapist know. And yeah, absolutely, if there's you know, a product that you find particularly beneficial, then that can be used. So that's it on scalp massage. As always, any questions, you can contact me through my Facebook or Instagram. Links should be down below. And yeah, that's all for today. So until next time, that's goodbye from me.